Hi, Alan Smith here. We're in Point Pleasant Beach, New Jersey, and behind me is the Amityville Horror Church. This is the Point Pleasant Beach Catholic Church, and this is where they filmed the very first movie and the second movie, Amityville Horror and Amityville Horror: The Possession. We will be watching the train going by here in just a second. Just wanted to let you know that this was the movie where James Brolin and Margot Kidder filmed the very first movie, and The Possession #2. Behind me is the St. Peter's School, a Catholic school here in Point Pleasant Beach. I used to attend this school when I was about 10 years old. Here I am, 48 years old, right? 38 years later, and the train is coming right now. This is the place where I used to hang out and watch the trains when I was a kid with my father on bicycles right at this point. This is my favorite railroad crossing, and it's still there.